Welcome back guys to the channel. Today I am going to show you how to use the NordVPN app on your iPhone or Android phone. This will help you change your location, browse privately and even unlock content that's blocked in your country. So let's get started. First, go to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for NordVPN. Download and install the app. This works the same way on both iPhone and Android. Once it's installed, open the app. If you already have a NordVPN account, just log in. If not, you can create an account right inside the app. They usually offer a free trial, so it's worth trying. You can check the link in the description to see the discounts they have. Now you're in, you'll see a big map and a quick connect button. Tap that and NordVPN will automatically connect you to the fastest server near you. And that's it. Now you're protected and anonymous online. If you want to browse from a different country, just tap a location on the map like United States, UK, Canada or Japan. You can also scroll the list and search for a specific country, perfect for watching Netflix or unblocking websites. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.